sandaling pinalipas ko. Naroon ka na, bakit pa humanap ng iba? Laging nasa huli ang mga lumipas ay di na maaring balikan. Sayang, bakit ako lagi na lang sa piling mo. Sayang, bakit ako nag-alilangan pa? Tuloy ngayon'y lumuluha at ang hihinayang kung maibabalik ko lang ang dati mong pagmamahal. Pagkaingatan ko at sa piling mo. Tanging sa piling mo. Sorry, I never told you all I wanted to say. Now it's too late to hold you, 'cause you've flown away, so far away.
Never had I imagined living without your smile, feeling and knowing you hear me, it keeps me alive, alive. And I know you're shining down on me from heaven, like so many friends we've lost along the way. And I know eventually we'll be together once we're there.
Darling, I never showed you. Assumed you'd always be there, and I took your presence for granted, but I always cared. It's the love we like so many friends we've lost along the way. Together. Although the sun will never shine the same, I'll always look to a brighter day.
Lord, I know when I lay me down to sleep, you will always listen as I
We'll be Yes, we will. Once we
sorry, I never told you all I
wanted to say.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels. Mine is Daryl Ong Official.
And sa akin naman po, Michael Pangilinan Official.
Katrina Velarde.
Yep.
Please follow the leader. Follow me, Pugoy Delon.
Yes, thank you
Tama,
guys! Hope
Thank
you
you.
enjoyed.
always thought that I could always find someone to take your place in me. I thought it would be easy, never thought that I would find it hard to leave it all behind. The times we got to spend together, it's not easy letting go. Time just seemed to run so slow. Every night just seemed to last forever. It's not easy letting go, not when hearts are saying no. Can't we talk it out? 'Cause it's no easy letting go. Loving you, I thought, was just a game that I can always play any day. But now it's so much harder, and I see your eyes, your tears are falling as you turn away from me. I called but you kept going. It's not easy letting go. Time just seemed to run so slow. Every night just seemed to last forever. It's not easy letting go, not when hearts are saying no. Can't we talk it out? 'Cause it's no easy letting go. Oh, give me one more chance to prove that I can change and that I really love you. Love you. It's not easy letting go. Time just seemed to run so slow. Every night just seemed to last forever. It's not easy letting go, not when hearts are saying no. Can't we talk it out? 'Cause it's no easy letting go. Go. It's not easy letting go. It's not easy letting go. Time just seemed to run so slow. Every night just seemed to last forever. There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
There goes my head shaking and you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, make sure the lights feed at the dark, spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to see.
To see that you are the reason. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you to hold me.
Closer now, just a little closer now. Come a little closer, I need you to hold me tonight. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I
Need you
to
see that you are the reason. Each time the wind blows, I hear your voice, so I call your name. Whispers and morning, our love is dawning. Heaven's glad you came. You know how I feel, this thing can't go wrong. I'm so proud to say I love you. Your love's got me high, I long to get by. This time is forever, love is the answer.
I hear your voice now, you are my choice now. The love you bring, heaven's in my heart. At your call I hear hearts and angels sing. You know how I feel, this thing can't go wrong. I can't live my life without you.
I just can't hold on.
I feel we belong.
My life ain't worth living if I can't be with you.
I just can't stop loving you. I just can't stop loving you.
And if I stop, then tell me just what will I do? 'Cause I just can't stop loving you. At night when the stars shine, I pray in you I'll find a love so true.
When morning awakes me, will you come and take me? And I wait for you.
You know how I feel, I won't stop until I hear your voice saying I do. just can't stop loving you. It's beautiful life. Forever I'll stay by your side. It's beautiful life. Always standing right behind you. Beautiful love. 'Cause we're standing under the same sky. Even though we are worlds apart. Beautiful life, beautiful day. Though I am only living in memories. Beautiful life, beautiful day. Won't you let me inside your heart? Beautiful, my love. Beautiful, your heart. It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Is it forever, you and I? It's a beautiful life. I hope we'll never say goodbye. No, 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 no. Beautiful love. Your tears, your smile, it completes me. And always will until the end of time. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. I've never felt like this. It's crazy. Beautiful life, beautiful day. I will never wanna lose you. Beautiful, my love. Beautiful, your heart. It's beautiful life. Every moment spent with you stays in my heart, never fading. Even though we're space and time apart, memories of you, it keeps my heart beating. Sorrowful life, sorrowful day. I cannot take all this sadness without you. Sorrowful life, sorrowful day. How can I ever live without you? Beautiful, my love. Beautiful, your heart. It's beautiful.